In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Raven from the cartoon Teen Titans and show you how to color this drawing at the end of the video. So stay until the end because today's content is awesome. Hey there artist, I'm Ledy, and in this video, we're going to draw Raven. All you need to do is copy the lines to form the drawing. And don't forget to leave your like because it helps the channel a lot. Let's start by drawing the eye. We can draw the pupils. Now comes the other eye. Next, the nose. Now comes the mask. Now comes the mouth. Now the teeth. Next, the tongue. And we can draw the chin. And we can draw the head. Let's draw the forehead. Then the hood. Now comes the coat. Next, a pendant. Add some details. Let's color the black parts. the eyes, the mouth, the clothes, the pendant, and don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.